Sports business for Naija don reach the level wey private business people go take over, say government alone no go fit. Shaibu na im talk dis one. Deputy Governor for Edo State, Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu, don talk say for sport to move forward for Naija, make private and corporate bodies dey involved. Shaibu talk dis one on Tuesday for the courtesy call wey Edo All-Stars come do for Government House Benin City. Shaibu wey come talk say sport don become business and no be social activity, come talk say for Edo dem don build ogbonge foundation for sport and government go continue to support the growth of sport for Edo.
I've met one or two persons and they told me they were coming to Edo for tournament, the All-Star tournament. And I said, that is the home of sport now. We are taking over sports administration and sports organization in Nigeria, and that the coming to Edo at this time is apt, and they will learn and they will collect when they come. So we jokingly talked like that day, not knowing truly that it was at the back of our, it was already here. The way we've been driving sport in Edo is such that they have to come and learn, because we are trying to see how we can reduce government funding. It's the only way we can institutionalize sports in Nigeria. And I'm also excited to hear that the Federal Ministry of Sports has proposed a bill. I think they said they proposed a bill, or they have reclassified sports to now be business, not social activity. And I think it makes really sense, and it's tallying with what we are already doing in Edo State, because from day one, the governor was clear about what we need to do with sports. And when he was asking me to handle sports, one major message that was hot in all what we needed to do was how we can change the graph of funding in sports, where government funding is in the graph very high now. How we can reverse that graph, where the graph will be, government funding will be coming down, the private sector will be moving up. That was a tall order anyway, but knowing fully well where we took sport from. But as we move on, that graph is gradually changing. And I'm excited to hear that federal government, under the present Minister of Youth and Sports, Chief Sunday Dare, also have reclassified sports. I think it will go a long way to helping sports development in Nigeria, because sport and business has to go together, and funding sports has to come from the same business concern. And that is why when we received that news, we were excited about it, because it's tallying with what we are doing in Edo State. Sponsorships are key to sports development. Your darling team, Bender Insurance, I must congratulate all of us, congratulate all of you for your support and prayers for them, because all of us have attachment at stake to Bender Insurance. And you can see today we are back to where we actually belong, because insurance has no business in NNL. Our place is MPFL, and if there's any higher league, that is where we belong. Not even going out of here. States that produce you, that are even in this hall, cannot be said to be a state that is not a foundation of sports. So we are not recreating our will. We are just trying to fulfill our destiny and the God-given talent God has given to us in the state. So I'm excited to see all of you, and to assure you people that as far as this government is concerned, sport is back home. When we're hosting the sport festival, many people didn't understand. They see us as a normal sport festival Edo State is hosting. But it was beyond just Edo State hosting sport festival. it was re-establishing and returning sport back to its native land, which is Edo State. And I can tell you, we have raised the bar, and we have reorganized, and we have built a new foundation of sports in Nigeria. And going forward, you see, Edo is the state to beat once again in every activity, and especially in organizing sports in Nigeria. So we are hosting the World Stars. We'll have discussion with the Sport Commission to see where we can come in. The state will support minimally, like we have always promised. We would like to have private people come into games like this. You can imagine all the states will be coming, and most of the people that will be coming are ex-internationals, people with label, people with name, and those labels can sell these products. So we need to also use it to create public awareness, to let our businessmen and women to know that their businesses can be seen faster with sports than any other media program that they want to do. So I want to assure you that we'll keep the flame burning as far as sport is concerned.
Kola Osakwe, be the representative for the Edo All Stars, come talk say make government come join body with them for the tournament wey go happen for Edo, and this one go hold for 7 December, and na 8 states go participate.
We have been trying to come here to try to see you, because it's not easy. We can understand the considerations of your job, challenges and all that. It's been long, but thank God for today. Our chairman, Sports Commission, who made all this possible. We are hosting the whole of this country in the next couple of days, precisely the 7th of December. 8 other states from the 6 geopolitical zones will come and converge with the university. We're trying to make this known to you with a lot of barricades here and there. But thank God for today. We are hosting them on the 7th, and we'll be trying to raise funds, because the cost implication is humongous. It's not really, it's something very huge. At first, we couldn't do it on the own. We have pockets of sponsors up there, but it's not enough. We try to look within and then exchange, go around our members who are in the diaspora, and we came up with something just very meters compared to what we would have expected to spend. And then the MOC, the Venture Football Foundation, we formed the board of the MOC, and they prevailed with us to say there are certain standards, certain requirements that we met. We have not been able to meet those requirements, and that's why we decided to say, okay, thank God the face of football is renewed in those states. Thank God the face of football in Nigeria at large. Thank God the still oasis in the wedding vortex as far as football is concerned is the deputy governor. And for Christ's sake, he's the captain of the team. He's the member of the order. So I became a bit exhilarated, a bit, but I said, thank God, we'll try to, this is the last person we'll try to. That's why we're here, my excellency. We do not know, but between the devil and the devil see. This tournament has been postponed 3 years. This is about the third one. And somebody coming, you may not know, you may not remember him. They call him Maddox. He's in the House of Representatives, one of the members of the MOC. Said you jocularly told him that, hey, you come to me and collect. We will host and one of the best tournaments ever since 2006. We will make it happen. So I told him, my last said that. Then he will make it manifest. So that's how we came.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make you now remember, say your PVC na your power. No go sell your votes, give any politician or political party on election day.